Yo, what's going on, man? I'm actually excited with this video, man. So basically, I got my 6th gen headlights in yesterday. So in this video, I'm gonna be installing them, okay? I'm not gonna be going step by step. I will be giving you guys a general idea of what I'm doing, but I won't be going step by step on how to do it. And again, I'm putting the 6th gen Camaro headlights on the 5th gen Camaro, okay? So that's what's going on. So what I'm gonna do right now is start it up and reposition the car so it's in the center so I can start disassembling the bumper and taking the lights off and then reassembling everything. All right, let's get it, man. Excited. I got the car pulled in here, properly positioned. You go over here, I already opened them up. This is the brand of the lights. They came pretty packaged pretty neatly, pretty secure. As you can see, that's the 6th gen conversion headlight to the 5th gen Camaro. Got all the necessary tools, torque tools, star tools, extensions, and so forth. Right here, obviously directions. So basically, I got the hood popped. And first thing you notice is I tilted the wheels all the way to the left. It doesn't matter which way. And the reason you want to do that is you want to make it easy access because you got to get in between this wheel well right here. So you're going to have 3 screws to unscrew in the wheel well right here. And then you're going to peel that back. And then you have a few bolts. I believe it's 2 bolts right here, 1 bolt up here, and then another bolt right here. Okay. And once you do that, it's some bolts underneath the bumper. I believe about, that's one right there. I believe it's like 2 or 3 bolts underneath. And you repeat the same process over here. Then you got to undo all these plastic clips. And also got this little container to put the screws in, guys, because you don't want to lose no screws, okay? So again, that's basically what I'm going to start doing. And I will check back in once I get this bumper off, okay? All right, as you can see, just barely got done taking the bumper off. It took me a little bit over an hour to get it done. So all we have to do now that we got the bumper off is remove these 2, I believe 7mm screws. And then we got 2 7s on the bottom. And then that unit's gonna pop out. And then we just slap the new ones in. And we got the bumper just chilling over there for right now until we get these head units in and get them wired up. And then I'm gonna slap that on last. And before they're installed on there. Yeah, they're installed. So I'm gonna go ahead and what I have actually right now before I put the bumper on is I got some protective, it's almost like tint, but it's clear because I'm through putting the smoke tint on the headlights. It's a good protector, but it kind of decreases the visibility. So I'm gonna just go to clear tint right here, and I'm gonna apply this on both headlamps before I install the bumper back on. Yeah, so I gotta retire these right here. Yeah, it's been, you guys got me through. I'm gonna miss you guys, but I gotta retire you along with the other parts that I've been replacing on the Camaro. But anyway, just a little tip for anybody. If you want to know how to keep your headlamps from getting that yellow haze on them, all you have to do is remember, when you get in your car and you're driving during the day, just turn your lights off, okay? Because these are 10-year-old headlights, and these harnesses don't have a bit. They're dirty on the, you know, on the outer parts of them, because this is the parts I didn't have access to anyway. But if you look at the actual part right here, the actual head unit, it's not yellow. Even when you peel this protective film back, it's not yellow. And that's because I got into the habit for 10 years. When I got in the car during the day, I would just turn the lights off, okay? Because I hate that yellow haze, man. That's just not the look. Okay, but that's all you have to do, because if you peel this tint back, you can see my lights are pretty much still clear. Okay, I've never sanded these down or anything. Okay, so yeah, that's just a nice little tip for you guys out there with the yellow headlights. It's about preventative maintenance. Okay, that's what it's about. Folks, we all finished. Got the bumper married up. Let's give her a go. Ooh, man, that looks so spicy. So I'm not done. I'm actually, because it's daytime now, so I'm gonna finish it up, wait to nighttime, and then I'm gonna get some more shots at night, and then that'll be a wrap. Okay, got the 6th gen headlights on the 5th gen Camaro. Boom.